Hello everyone, this is Thomas's number one here, and today I am going to be doing a custom model segment today. So without further ado, let's get on to the showcase, and here come the customs. Don't these three look familiar? Yep, it's the three diesel engines from the Railway Series book, Stepney the Bluebell engine. These three diesels appeared in one single illustration in the book. In Stepney the Bluebell engine, when Percy is telling Douglas about the Bluebell Railway and Stepney's upcoming visit to the Northwestern Railway, we get this illustration of Stepney passing through a station with three diesel engines giving him menacing looks as he passes by. And these three diesels were never seen again throughout the book's run, so I decided to make these three. I was pretty much inspired by the Sudrick Legends to do this after seeing a Twitter post about these three. So let's get on to them one by one. We'll start with this diesel here, who is a Class 31, nicknamed Toffee Apples because of the shape of their control key. I used a 2017 Wooden Railway Diesel 10 to make this. I used various tools to get rid of the plastic bits on the top and replaced it with air dry clay. The face comes from a Thomas Wooden Railway Bulgy. I painted the diesel green and used oil-based paint pens for the white stripes and the details on the sides, as well as the front and back. And here's the top. And before you go sounding off in the comments, I gave these three diesels names. So this diesel in particular, his name is Slasher, because I pretty much figured this is a good fitting name for this diesel. So that's Slasher right there. Now let's get on to the next diesel, which is a Class 52 or Western. So like with Slasher here, I used a 2017 Wooden Railway Diesel 10 to make this. Got rid of the plastic bits on the top, replaced it with air dry clay, and the roof right here is cardboard from a cereal box. The face is from a Thomas Wooden Railway Elizabeth. I painted the diesel maroon, used oil-based paint pens for the cabs right here, the doors, and all the other details, as well as the roof. And this diesel also has a name, which is Otis. Some people on Facebook told me that this guy looks like an Otis, and I have to agree. So that's Otis. Now here is the final diesel, which is a Class 40 diesel. I used a Thomas Wooden Railway D261 or the diesel to make this. Here's the top. Painted it all gray. Used a black paint pen for the details on the roof, as well as all the other details, of course. The face is from a Thomas Wooden Railway 2017 Diesel 10. I used a Dremel tool to get rid of the smile, and I used a oil-based paint pen to draw a frown on there. This diesel also has a name, and it's Jade. So that's pretty much it on the 3 British Railways diesel engines, or Slasher, Otis, and Jade, as I like to call them now. So anyways, that is it for this custom model showcase. This is Thomas's number 1 signing out, saying goodbye, and thank you all for watching. And remember to subscribe. Hey boys, I heard a Bluebell engine is making its way to the Northwestern Railway. You mean that railway with out-of-date steamers? Yes, Slasher, that railway. What are we gonna do? Well, if that Bluebell engine comes to our territory, I think it's fair that we should give him a warm welcome, if you catch my drift. Oh, I like the way you think, Jade. Why do I always wrap myself into these kinds of situations?